Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Tier 10's channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 easy vegan recipes that are perfect for busy weeknights. These meals are simple to prepare, packed with flavor, and will help you stay on track with your vegan lifestyle. And as a bonus, I'll be showing you how to make each recipe step by step. Vegan Buddha bowl. Required materials: 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water, 1 can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 sweet potato, peeled and cubed, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cups of kale, chopped, 1 avocado, sliced. Optional toppings: sesame seeds, hot sauce, lemon wedges, tahini dressing. Instructions: rinse the quinoa and add it to a pot with 2 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the water is absorbed and the quinoa is fluffy. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the chickpeas, sweet potato, and red bell pepper with the olive oil, cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Spread the mixture on a baking sheet and roast for 20 to 25 minutes until the vegetables are tender and slightly crispy. While the vegetables are roasting, massage the chopped kale with a bit of olive oil and salt until it becomes slightly tender and less bitter. To assemble the Buddha bowls, divide the quinoa, roasted vegetables, and massaged kale among 4 bowls. Top each bowl with sliced avocado and any desired toppings such as sesame seeds, hot sauce, lemon wedges, or tahini dressing. 9. Vegan pesto pasta. Required materials: 1 pound of pasta, your choice of shape, 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/2 cup of pine nuts, 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: sliced cherry tomatoes, chopped fresh basil, vegan Parmesan cheese. Instructions: cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, make the pesto. Combine the basil, pine nuts, nutritional yeast, garlic, and olive oil in a food processor or blender. Blend until smooth, adding more oil if needed to reach your desired consistency. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Drain the pasta and return it to the pot. Add the pesto and toss to coat the pasta evenly. Serve hot, garnished with your desired toppings such as sliced cherry tomatoes, chopped fresh basil, and vegan Parmesan cheese. 8. Vegan sweet potato and black bean chili. Required materials: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 large sweet potato, peeled and diced, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 1 can of black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: diced avocado, chopped cilantro, sliced jalapeno, vegan sour cream, tortilla chips. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the sweet potato and red bell pepper and sauté for another 5 to 7 minutes until they're slightly softened. Add the black beans, diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper to the pot. Stir to combine and bring the mixture to a simmer. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let the chili simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the sweet potatoes are tender and the flavors have melded together. Serve hot, garnished with your desired toppings such as diced avocado, chopped cilantro, sliced jalapeno, vegan sour cream, and tortilla chips. 7. Vegan chickpea curry. Required materials: 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, salt and pepper to taste. Optional. Chopped fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: heat the coconut oil in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion, garlic, and grated ginger. Sauté for 3 to 5 minutes until the onion is softened and fragrant. Add the curry powder, cumin, and coriander to the pan. Stir well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the spices are fragrant. Add the chickpeas, diced tomatoes, and coconut milk to the pan. Stir well to combine. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat to medium-low and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes until the curry has thickened and the chickpeas are tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with chopped fresh cilantro if desired. This dish goes great with rice or naan bread. 6. Vegan black bean tacos. Required materials: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and chopped, 1 can of black beans, rinsed and drained, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, salt and pepper to taste, 8 corn tortillas. Optional toppings: shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, sliced avocado, salsa, hot sauce, cilantro. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the red bell pepper and jalapeno pepper and sauté for another 5 minutes until they're softened. Add the black beans, chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Stir to combine and cook for an additional 5 to 7 minutes until the beans are heated through and the spices are fragrant. Heat the tortillas in a separate skillet over medium-high heat for about 30 seconds on each side until they're warm and slightly toasted. Assemble the tacos by placing a scoop of the black bean mixture on each tortilla. Add your desired toppings, such as shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, sliced avocado, salsa, hot sauce, and cilantro. Serve hot and enjoy. 5. Vegan spaghetti carbonara. Required materials: 8 ounces of spaghetti, half a cup of raw cashews, soaked in water for at least 2 hours, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of white miso paste, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 cup of sliced mushrooms, salt and pepper to taste. Optional. Chopped parsley for garnish. Instructions: cook the spaghetti according to the package instructions. In a blender or food processor, combine the soaked cashews, nutritional yeast, miso paste, smoked paprika, turmeric, and 1 cup of water. Blend until smooth and creamy. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the sliced mushrooms and sauté until they're tender, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the cashew cream sauce to the skillet and stir to combine. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add the cooked spaghetti to the skillet and toss to coat with the sauce. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the spaghetti is heated through and the sauce is thickened. Serve hot, garnished with chopped parsley if desired. 4. Vegan Lentil Shepherd's Pie. Required materials: 1 large onion, chopped. 2 garlic cloves, minced. 2 medium carrots, chopped. 2 stalks of celery, chopped. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 cup of green or brown lentils, rinsed and drained. 2 cups of vegetable broth. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. 1 teaspoon of dried rosemary. Salt and pepper to taste. For cups of mashed potatoes, use your favorite recipe. Optional. Chopped parsley for garnish. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onion, garlic, carrots, and celery and sauté until they're softened, about 10 minutes. Add the lentils, vegetable broth, tomato paste, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the lentils are tender and the liquid has been absorbed. Transfer the lentil mixture to a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Spoon the mashed potatoes on top of the lentil mixture and spread it out evenly. Bake the shepherd's pie for 25 to 30 minutes until the mashed potatoes are golden brown and crispy. Remove the dish from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with chopped parsley, if desired. 3. Vegan Pad Thai. Required materials: 8 ounces of rice noodles. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 onion, sliced. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 cup of bean sprouts. Half a cup of chopped peanuts. 2 limes, cut into wedges. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Optional. Sliced tofu or vegan shrimp. Sauce: 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce. Instructions: cook the rice noodles according to the package instructions. In a large skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the red bell pepper and sauté until it's tender crisp, about 3 minutes. Add the cooked rice noodles and the bean sprouts to the skillet. In a separate bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, tamarind paste, brown sugar, and sriracha sauce to make the sauce. Pour the sauce over the noodles and vegetables and toss to coat. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce is heated through. Serve hot, garnished with chopped peanuts, fresh cilantro, and lime wedges. If desired, add sliced tofu or vegan shrimp to the skillet when sautéing the onion and garlic. 2. Vegan Mushroom Stroganoff. Required materials: 1 pound of sliced mushrooms. 1 onion, diced. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 cup of vegetable broth. 1 cup of vegan sour cream. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley for garnish. 12 ounces of pasta of your choice. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onions and garlic and sauté until they're softened, about 5 minutes. Add the mushrooms and sauté until they're tender and lightly brown, about 10 minutes. In a separate pot, cook the pasta according to the package instructions. Add the vegetable broth, Dijon mustard, and soy sauce to the mushroom mixture and stir to combine. Let the mixture simmer for a few minutes until the liquid is reduced by half. Add the vegan sour cream to the skillet and stir to combine. Season the mixture with salt and pepper to taste. Drain the pasta and add it to the skillet with the mushroom mixture, tossing until well coated. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve hot. 1. Vegan Tomato Basil Soup. Required materials: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, diced, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 2 cans, 28 ounces, of peeled tomatoes, 2 cups of vegetable broth, half a cup of fresh basil leaves, roughly chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Optional: croutons, vegan sour cream or Parmesan for serving. Instructions: heat the olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the onion and garlic and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Add the canned tomatoes and their juice to the pot. Pour in the vegetable broth and bring the mixture to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and let the soup simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, until the tomatoes have broken down and the flavors have melded together. Add the chopped basil leaves to the pot and stir to combine. Use an immersion blender or transfer the soup to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot with croutons, vegan sour cream, or Parmesan, if desired. For today's video, I hope you enjoyed these 10 easy vegan recipes for busy weeknights, and that they inspire you to try some new plant-based meals in your own kitchen. Don't forget to let me know in the comments which recipe was your favorite, and if you have any other vegan recipe requests. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy vegan recipe ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.